Out here, we are trying to read a hand of a lady who is aged 24, and this is her left hand, and this is her left hand, and this is the right hand. So we would be, generally it is said we should take a look at the left hand for the female and the right hand for the male. But women who are working, we should basically take a look at the right hand even in the female. So that is the reason why I would be concentrating more on the right hand. She wanted to know about her career. This is her main question. But career is always see, generally for career, everybody wants to know about their money line. This is basically the money line, and people think that on the money line everything is depicted on the money line as far as career goes, but it is not so. It is more than that. It concerns each and every aspect of one's palm, and not necessarily only on the money line. It all depends upon our health. It all depends upon our focus. That is what determines, and our health and our focus, that determines how successful we are going to be. So we are going to be looking at the important aspects of this particular palm, and one of the aspects is the heart line. This is basically the heart line. See, the heart line is ending under the mount of Saturn. Saturn is the mount for money and money management. It is the area of your responsibility. It is also the area of how much money we are going to be having. So if the heart line ends somewhere on the mount of Saturn, it depicts that our inclination is towards money. It shows that we are going to be more responsible in our life, because Saturn depicts all kinds of responsibility, and it also depicts if the person is grounded and knows the ground situations very well. So this lady knows the ground situations very well. So this is a good aspect as far as money goes. See, generally people think that money line would be telling about the money, but even the heart line can tell. The line of emotions can also tell about how good the possibilities are going to be. The other aspect on the heart line that we see, I consider heart line to be one of the most important lines to consider, and if the heart line is good, then the possibilities increases. The best possible kind of heart lines are heart lines which are just deep and clear. Deep and clear and singular, those are basically considered to be the best kind of lines, because those lines mean that the person is focused. And if there are any breaks or branches over it, if you notice somewhere out here, it's overlapping, and few branches over it. So branches over the heart line means getting distracted, and distractions is not a good sign. So, and the person is falling for temptations. See, the person could be extremely good at everything, but if the person is going to get distracted, so what's going to happen is that they are going to be shifting their focus and shifting their goalpost. So it is advised that these people remain committed to what they are doing, and the youth energies are the most important energies. That is the reason why more importance should be given, and they shouldn't basically shift too much to different field. It could be a related field. There's nothing wrong with that. Heartline could also mean something like falling for a temptation. Falling for temptation could be a relationship, but could also be a work. Let's suppose you are doing a particular work, and then you get distracted, and somebody comes to you with a proposal that they would say that why don't you try something else? You are made for something better. So what's going to do? You're going to shift all your focus from the present goal to the next goal. So a focus is important. This line also depicts, tells about detachment. You must have heard about Gita and what Gita says. Gita says that you should practice detachment. Detachment is being in the moment without having expectation of the outcome. So in Hindi we say समर्पण भाव. समर्पण भाव means कि क्या किसी चीज के लिए आप समर्पित हैं या नहीं हैं, क्या तो समर्पण जरूरी है हमारी लाइफ में, and that brings success. So this is a very, very important kind of a line. So my suggestions would be, try to remain committed to what you have been doing, and that is what is going to bring you success. Now we look at the left hand. See, left hand is the passive hand, left hand is not the active hand to refer to, and we should but these hands are not that left and right are completely different. So don't assume that both your hands are going to be completely different. So this is, I'll just try to tweak the image a little bit. You would notice that on the left hand too, the heart line is a little bit, it has got an island like formation somewhere out here. Island means elongated periods of emotional stress. Then these are overlapping lines. So overlapping and sudden breaks in the line basically means abrupt ending, or either in a relationship or abrupt ending in what you have been doing. So this is not such a good sign. And on the lifeline also, if we look closely, you would find island like formation. So health needs better care. When we talk about health, I would take you back to the right hand. Now what we see out here is, this is the center of the palm, and this is the area of planes of Mars. Mars, there are three Mars. This is Mars negative, this is Mars positive, and this is Mars negative. So you would notice that in this particular area there are too many lines out here. These are crisscrossing lines, these something like this. So so Mars, you already know what Mars is. Mars is a red planet. In geography, we are told that Mars is a red planet. Red is correlated with anger, aggression, and fire. So in our body, where is the maximum fire? It is basically in our stomach. So the chances are that the stomach gets disturbed. So it is advised that this is the area the person should be extremely careful regarding the health point of view. If they are not, then basically it might, in the initial period, she's basically just 24. So during this particular period, she would not be feeling any loss of health, because in the earlier period of life we are bursting with energies and we don't realize that what mistakes we are making right now. So so the person should try to contain their anger and aggression, and because if there are too many lines over here, the chances are the person might be getting angry over wrong issues. The anger could be also due to because our stomach is not so upset, there's more fire in our stomach. That's the reason these things are appearing in our life. Now I would just briefly tell about the money line and other aspects. This is basically it is appearing that this is the money line, because why I'm saying it's appearing, because it could be that this is the lifeline and a line is branching out and going towards the Mount of Moon. This could be just a branch from the lifeline and going towards the Mount of Moon. If this is the case, it is meaning that at this particular moment of time, and the moment is approximately around the age of 50 or so, that's when health or wealth deteriorates, or the person basically travels a lot and the person gets restless during that particular period. But if it is something like, if this is the money line and it is coming and joining it in and aiming towards the Mount of Mars, so it means that possibly is that in the earlier period the person would start to make good money, but at the same time that money is going to get wasted, because money line going towards the Mount of Mars basically signifies that that our cash is getting burned. So this is the period the person should be a little bit careful to whom the person gives money or whatever. So this is one aspect. One money line is ending out here, and a new line is starting somewhere at this particular point, and the age at this particular point is approximately, at this point the age is approximately 27, 28, and this two ends somewhere at this particular point, and the intersection of the money and the, this is the money and this is the headline, the intersection is age 35. So therefore so this period is before the age of 35, so it's ending at the age of 33 or so, and a new line basically develops again before the other one ends, and this is basically traveling from the age of approximately 27, 28, and this is continuing for lifelong. So in this way it is good. Okay, other aspects of the palm is that if you look closely, this is the lifeline, and there are few upward kind of lines pointing towards the finger, and there are many of these kind of lines pointing towards the area of Saturn, and Saturn is basically money. So any line pointing towards a finger are considered to be good. It means luck striking this particular lady, and it is for long periods of time, that for many years it's going to be very, very lucky period for her. And the age could be approximately, it starts at an early age, approximately 26 or so, and it continues till late 40s, 50s. So these are many good lines that you see out here. I would explain to you the branches over the heart line in a little bit different way. Imagine this is a physical heart. I'm just drawing a physical heart out here, and a branch is hanging, a rope is hanging onto the heart, and there's weight hanging onto the heart. So what's going to happen is that this attachment line, this rope line onto your heart is kind of straining your heart. So what's going to happen is your heart is going to get tired, and palpitation and stress is going to develop, and anxiety is going to develop. So it's better not to carry attachments in your life. It is always said, the word attachment appears to be very, very, it sounds that it's a good word, but it's a negative word. Detachment is a positive word, and attachment is the negative word, because attachments bring in expectations, and expectations are not fulfilled, and that's why disappointments creeps in. So this is what these lines mean. The other good lines that we see on this particular palm is these lines that are going towards the mount of Mercury. Mercury is the planet for this is basically the planet for business. This is the planet for technical skills, communication skills, business skills, all kind of skills. It could be drafting skills also, what lawyers do. Communication could be verbal communication, it could be internet communication, it could be coding. So all of these basically come under this. And these lines are appearing on the palm. They are not but one or two. So, but if they were a little bit deeper, it would have been much better, because deeper lines depict that the person is sharpening their skills. A little bit weaker kind of lines mean that they need to sharpen their skills even further. So this is what the line of Mercury represents. You would notice that there is a supporting kind of a line supporting the lifeline. These lines are lines of fighting spirit within us. See, these lines that you see, these are basically negative kind of lines. I'll just explain to you Mars in a different way. This is basically the lifeline. Lifeline depicts your engine, your car. This is the area of your fire. This is the area of Mars. And this is the area of your fuel. Okay, so what happens is that the spark originates out here where the lifeline starts. So this is the area of Mars, and if there's a supporting kind of a line, that means that the spark remains with us constantly. The spark, because this is an extremely good line. Whatever I might have said regarding out here at the starting period, this gets negated with a strong Mars line. It's I would say in category terms, it is something like it's not super strong, but it is somewhere in the carry in 1 to 10 if I say. So I would say around 6. And because it is continuing for a very long period till the end of life, see, generally what happens is people just have a small kind of a Mars line, or they might not even have this line, but you have a line that is continuing from early age till the end. So it is the line of protection. You're getting protected. It's an armor around you. And if this is your lifeline, so I've called this as the engine. This is your car, and the supporting line is kind of a double layered engine. So your engine basically becomes much more stronger. So all kind of negative aspects on the car, on a palm, gets negated with this particular line that you have. And it's a beautiful kind of a line. But at the same times, these lines that you see are out here is something like you're traveling in your car, and there's another cycle, scooter, car, truck, anything is coming and striking either your life or your head. Head means your thought process. So it's kind of a it is kind of a negative kind of lines that we see out here. So what the person needs to take care is that anger should be in control. It is said that if a person is angry, the chances of taking wrong decisions increases. And anger is positive anger and negative anger. So but these lines are considered for negative anger, where the person feels that things are getting out of control. So this is what it is. Thank you for watching this particular video. If you like this particular video, click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. And before I end this particular video, I would request you to press the bell icon. This is if you want to get a paid win. This is my email, this is my phone number. And generally people think that Moneyline tells everything regarding money. It doesn't tell everything about money. Moneyline is only 15% of what your money, of how much money you're going to be having. So each and every line can tell about money, possessions. A saint once said, you do not need to go to an astrologer or a palmist to know about your future, because you already know your future. Present is the result of past. How will be my future? Future depends upon what you are doing in the present. What are we? We are product of our thoughts. So the thoughts that come to our mind are really important. Keep positive people around you. Even if you have got any negative aspect on your palm, it is going to not apply in your case because of good company. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.